The letters and numbers on a router are an easy way to know the Wi-Fi standard and speed of a router. When shopping for routers, you'll notice a series of numbers preceded by letters like AX, AXC, and BE. But what does this mean? You might be surprised to know that the letters represent the generation of Wi-Fi technology used by the routers. AC is for older dual-band routers, AX is for dual-band and tri-band Wi-Fi 6 routers, AXC is for quad-band Wi-Fi 6E routers, and if you're looking for a Wi-Fi 7 router, look for routers with BE. And what about the numbers that come after? The numbers are a reference to the max theoretical aggregate speed of the router across all bands. For example, the TP-Link Archer BE550 has a speed rating of BE 9300, meaning it's a Wi-Fi 7 router with a theoretical speed of 9300 megabits per second across the 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands. It's worth mentioning that these are theoretical speeds, so you likely won't see anything close to these speeds when doing a speed test. Everything from the number of devices on the router, the distance from the router, and the device's Wi-Fi chip can affect real-world internet speeds. While you should always do your research when shopping for a router, it's worth knowing the Wi-Fi standard and speed of a router by quickly glancing at the name. This might prevent you from impulse buying a slower router than you need.